Hi, I'm Richie Powell, owner and founder of Dent Group of VA. We are a family-owned business located here in Northern Virginia. We specialize in paintless dent removal, which means we remove dents out of your vehicle without having to paint your vehicle. I've been in the industry for over 20 years and started Dent Group of VA January of 2019. New business, but definitely not new to the industry. Our process here at Dent Group of VA is we make it very simple for the customer to get a quote, as well as get the repair done. You can give us a call right from your vehicle, right when the incident happens. You can find us on the web. We will generate an estimate over the phone. We also offer virtual estimating, which literally we can do a virtual estimate in under 5 minutes, and we can schedule you in at that time. You're more welcome to walk in as well. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. With everything going on at this time, we are CDC compliant, and I feel like we've taken it to the next level as well as everything we do here. And we wipe down all hard surfaces, sanitize the couches, all hard surfaces up front, the bathroom as well as the vehicle. Once a customer comes into our shop, we have the customers drop the keys in the basket. It's all touchless. We put the keys in an individual pouch for each customer. We have face masks on as well as gloves. We desanitize the keys. You can have a seat in our luxurious waiting room. Basically, our waiting room is designed as a living room. Here at Dent Group, we are a family-owned business, and we treat all of our customers like family. In our waiting room, you have a lot of options. Obviously, music, TV. We have a coffee bar that's free to all customers, magazines, free Wi-Fi. If you need anything, you let us know and we will make you feel comfortable here. We also offer free rides. You tell us where you need to go. We offer free rides to and from, free pickup and delivery, as well as a 100% satisfaction guarantee on the overall experience. Not just the repair, but the overall experience. And I feel that is what separates us from any of our competitors, as well as a lot of other businesses. We do rigorous training here. There's not one of our guys that will work on a car until I know that they are highly qualified to handle that vehicle. We do work on a lot of high-end vehicles here. Teslas, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. We do work on everything, not just high-end. We do repair everything here. But to be able to work on those vehicles takes a lot of hours of training, and I pass that on to all of my staff. So we have all the state-of-the-art tools, all the modern technology to repair these vehicles. A lot of vehicles these days are hybrids, which is a lot of battery, a lot of components, a lot of volts running through these vehicles. You properly need to power those vehicles down before you start the extensive repairs. That takes a lot of training, which we do have. Even if we have staff that does not physically work on the vehicles, they know about the vehicles. And we spend hours and hours on just training on how to talk to a customer, how to answer the phone. And that is why we can offer the 100% satisfaction guarantee on the overall process. Give you an example. You have a customer that comes in and we repair their vehicle. The dent looks great, that's the easy part. But if they weren't happy with our staff or communication, they do not pay. It is that simple. Just about all of our customers, when they leave a review, if you look, it very rarely will state anything about the dent. Most of their comments are the shop and the experience. So basically what I tell everybody is we are in the customer service industry that just happens to repair dents. We work very hard here at Dent Group, but we have fun too, and that's a part of our business model that I've developed. We skateboard here, we hoverboard, we play basketball. Once again, it's like family here. No matter who you are. We've had customers come in the back shop and shoot basketball, a time or two. So we make it a very fun place to work and just a fun, safe place to be. How you get in contact with us, we make it very simple. You can visit us on the web at dentgroupofva.com, or you can contact me directly at 703-969-6196. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, my name is Richie Powell, owner and founder of Dent Group of VA. We are a family business, and if you are in need of our service, looking forward to talking to you, and we will make you feel like family here. Thank you, and have a great day.